Well, this doesn't look like a Subaru.
We are starting the new year off with nasal congestion. No, really, we are. My room was so stuffy this morning when I got up that my nose got all congested right now, and I came outside because as you can tell I'm leaving and it's already starting to clear up. I'm like, oh, jeez. I'm like, for 1 second I was like, don't tell me I'm getting fucking sick. But nope, my room is just really, really stuffy and I have no idea why. It was really fucking hot in there too. So I came outside and now I'm like, it's slowly clearing up, but I still sound a little nasally, but should be gone soon. And I got a bush on my face still, which we need to take care of today because I like the look kind of sometimes. I like having a messy look sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. But I think it's time to let it go. But first things first, Happy New Year. It's January 1st. I'm trying to think of when I'm gonna post this. But right now it's January 1st. It's 12:30. I'm not gonna lie, I'm wearing pajamas. You know why I'm wearing pajamas? Because I'm not even gonna get off the truck. I'm going to Target. I'm gonna go pick up my online order on the drive-up pickup and tell a story on the way real quick. Quick story before we get into their activities. Now with this story I'm about to tell, there would have been other footage talking about it. As you can see by the title of the video already, you already know what the story's about. So I had footage. I guess I deleted it like a dumbass from my computer because I couldn't find it last night. And basically, I want to talk about where the STI has been. I haven't showed the STI in shit, honestly, I don't know how long. It's been a long time though since I've showed the STI. And let's just say the STI is hopefully in a better place right now. Why do I say it like that? Not because I crashed it, not because I wrecked it, but because I sold it. I did sell the STI. I had footage of me putting it back to stock. Oh my god, my camera's really dark. I had footage of me I had footage of me, I was about to say taking off the bags and putting it back to stock at the same time, but I had footage of me putting it back to stock, removing the bags, taking off. I showed the wheels thing actually when I sold the Adriel, and it's gone. I can't find the footage though, taking the bags off. I think I deleted it. But either way, it is gone. It's sold. So I've been carless since February, late February, early March. Probably, I think early March. And it actually hasn't been bad. You guys know I have, if I ever needed a car or anything, I have the company truck that I have access to. I don't use it a lot. I only use it when I really need it. But as of like lately, and by lately I mean like the last 2 or 3 weeks, I've been bringing the pickup truck home because it's been really fucking cold. Yes, I'm in California and I'm bitching about the cold. But no joke, it has been 30 degrees when I leave in the morning on my bike, and I've been fucking freezing, and even my supervisor knows it. My supervisor knows that I have my car. I'm really cool with him. It's fucking, he knows it's been fucking freezing cold, and he's like, dude, you're not cold? I'm like, it's been pretty bad lately. And he's like, fuck it, just take the truck. He's like, you're good. And I'm like, okay. So I just been driving the truck home until I hopefully get another car, which I don't know when that's gonna be. Well, I kind of have an idea, I just don't want to spoil it yet. And my camera keeps turning dark on me, and I don't know why. But I do have an idea of when I'm gonna get another car. The problem is finding the right one. Because I want a very, very particular model of a car. Those of you that know me well enough, you know what I want. Like, people that know me really well know what I want already. And I'm just trying to find the right one. Because it is an older car, it's funny enough, like one of my dream cars that I want is a fucking older car. And when I say older, I mean like 2004, 2005 old. Hint, hint. But either way, I am gonna get another car. I don't know when. I'm hoping very soon. Like I said, I just need to find the right one. That's the tough part. When you're looking for a car that's a 2004 or 2005, it's gonna be hard to find one in clean condition with a certain amount of miles that you don't want to go over, or at least, I can't say that. I'm gonna say that, or at least the engine being rebuilt. That should be a slight hint. Oh yeah, I'm at Target already too. I'm just waiting for my order. I don't go in stores. Can't. Can't do that. I don't like going in stores if I don't have to. I have been thinking about getting another camera too, actually. I love my G7X. I don't just like it, I love it. But I've been thinking about getting a camera that records in 4K. And obviously, if you know, I have the Mark II. I considered the ZV-1 by Sony. Still thinking about it. I love my G7X though. Like I really want to step up the quality to 4K. That's just something I really want to do. It's just more of a personal thing. It's not like, obviously you don't have to, you know, 1080p is fine. This camera records great video when I'm actually in the middle of the frame instead of moving my camera around, spacing out. Okay, I ran too much. I'm just gonna tell you that, that's it. I want a 2004, 2005, particular model car, a certain amount of mileage. I will find one hopefully soon, and when we do, you know it's gonna be recorded. You already know I'm gonna record that shit. Not coming on order yet, but I'm gonna wait here till my order comes in. We'll see where we pick this video up next, because I don't think I'm doing anything today. I might just hop on Fortnite right now with Swave. It couldn't be one of my videos without kitties. Here it is, boys. I told you I would do this. Do you guys know who I'm talking to? Nikki face reveal. Even though a lot of people watching don't even know what the fuck's going on. Grims, you know what's going on? Taco, Swave, Nikki face reveal right here for you, even with the mask on. I need new glasses though. We'll see what's crack-a-lacking. Look, yeah, I keep saying I look like I'm gonna rob somebody. Huh? Oh, yes.
So if you ever want to buy a
This is what we're getting.
yeah, for sure.
New Wickers. Boom, ba-doom, boom, boom. Guess what time it is? It's time to end the video because it's a short one today. Why is it a short one today? Because this video is only to talk about it being New Year's and the fact that the STI is gone. But, there's always a but. The but this time is, we will be replacing it. Right, kitty? He's hopping around, that's why my face is all over the place. We will be replacing it sooner than you might think. With what? Let me give you a hint. I'll give you a hint at what we're gonna be replacing the old STI with. This is all I'm gonna show you. You can see what that is? Here's your hint. So you better stay tuned to the next video. It's gonna be something really special. At least I hope it is. So until then, I'll catch y'all later. Goodbye.